Hello, welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things business tools. In today's video, we'll learn how to combine data from multiple spreadsheets into one using a powerful Google Sheets function. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a single source of truth for your data. Let's get started. The first step is to identify the spreadsheets you want to combine. Open up the two spreadsheets you'll be working with. For example, let's say we have the original spreadsheet called Q1 sales data and the destination spreadsheet called final sales data, where we store all the data from every quarter. Now, we need two pieces of information from the original spreadsheet. First, copy the full spreadsheet URL. You can find the URL at the top of your browser window when you're on the original spreadsheet. Next, identify the range of cells in the original spreadsheet from which you want to pull data. For instance, let's say we want to pull data from cells A to H. Great. Now we'll use the IMPORTRANGE function to import the data. Open the new spreadsheet, final sales data, and select the cell you want the data to start at. Next, type =, IMPORTRANGE into the cell where you want the imported data to appear. The function will prompt you for three things: the URL of the original spreadsheet, the name of the specific tab in the original spreadsheet, and the range of cells for the data you need. Remember, use the specific name of the tab in the formula to avoid any issues if new sheets or tabs are created. And don't forget to add an exclamation point before the data range. Fantastic, we're almost there. Once you've entered the IMPORTRANGE formula, hit enter. If it's the first time you're importing data from that particular spreadsheet, a security check may appear. This check ensures you're okay with granting access to collaborators on this spreadsheet. Simply click Allow Access when you see the #ref error in your cell. And voila! You've successfully imported your data into the new spreadsheet. Now you have a single source of truth for your combined data. Feel free to customize the new spreadsheet to fit your needs. Another great feature of this function is that anytime data is updated from the source file, it will automatically update here, so you no longer need to update data in multiple places, saving you valuable time. That wraps up our tutorial on combining data from multiple spreadsheets in Google Sheets. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.